Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about word. What is a word? A word refers to a speech, sound, or a mixture of two or more speech sounds in both written and verbal form of language. A word works as a symbol to represent or refer to something or someone in language to communicate a specific meaning. For example, love, cricket, sky, etc. There are several criteria for a speech sound or a combination of a speech sounds to be called a word. There must be a potential pause in speech and space in written form between two words. For instance, suppose ball and bat are two different words. So, if we use them in a sentence, we must have a potential pause after pronouncing each of them. It cannot be like I do not play with ball without any pause, without any space. If we take pause, these sounds can be regarded as seven distinct words, which are I, do, not, play with, bat, and ball. Every word must contain at least one root. If you break this root, it cannot be a word anymore. For example, the word unfaithful has a root faith. If you break faith into FA and ITH, these sounds will not be regarded as words. Every word must have a meaning. For example, the sound lakana has no meaning in the English language, so it cannot be an English word. So it is compulsory for a word that it must have a
If you
meaning.
like this lesson, give it thumbs up by hitting like button and subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons. Thank you for watching me. I will back soon inshallah with another video. Thank you.